Hi friends, for Art Center today we're going to make a chick. We're going to need our 2 yellow strips, 2 wings, a beak, your orange cardstock that we're going to use for the feet, and then your 2 googly eyes. So the first thing we're going to do is use the longer strip to make the bottom of the chick. So I'm going to put glue, I'm going to loop it together, and make the bottom. So see how it looks? Okay, I'm going to hold that, let it sit for a second. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with the top one. So I'm going to put glue, and I'm going to hold it, loop it, okay? I'm going to press that one together. Now I'm going to glue the smaller one to the bigger one, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue here, and I'm going to glue, and that's going to be our chick's head. So I'm going to glue that on, okay? So it'll look like that. Okay, then my friends, we're going to take our wings and we're going to glue them onto the bigger of the 2 loops. So kind of at the bottom, we're going to glue them here. See how I did that? And then on the other side, I'm going to glue the other one. We'll glue it here. Okay. All right. So it's starting to kind of look like a little chick. And then I'm going to take the beak and I'm folding it down. I'm going to put a little glue on the bottom side of it, just like that. I'm going to push it on the top part. That's going to be the face. Okay. Now, for the googly eyes, Mommy and Daddy might have to either hot glue them on or use some wet glue. We can try to use a little bit of our glue stick to do it, but if you need it to glue on a little bit more, you might have to use liquid glue. So I'm going to try with the glue stick and we can push them on. Sometimes googly eyes don't always stick with the glue stick. See, like that? Okay, we'll try to do our best. I'm going to put a little more on this side. And then if they don't stick, Mommy and Daddy can maybe help you glue them on with some wet glue. Okay. All right, so we're almost done. We're going to take this bottom part and we're going to make our little chick feet. Okay, friends? So to make our little chick feet, I'm going to cut in first on this cardstock. So see how that kind of makes, I'm going to cut a square out, okay? Then on each of these sides, I'm going to cut out a triangle. So I'm going to go triangle, triangle, triangle. Okay, now friends, I'm going to put glue on the orange feet, on the base, kind of on the feet right there. And then I'm going to stick my yellow chick on it. And then you can see the feet are a little wider. So if you want to cut them down a little bit, you sure can. Like that, but then your chick will actually be able to stand up. All right, friends, and there you have it. I'll flip it this way too so you can see it. We have our little baby chick from Click Clack Peep. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see your chicks. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.